Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Riot client from your Windows computer PC. Alright, so quick one guys, we need to run through the steps and this will be a step-by-step guide if you have the Riot installed on your PC. Now you're gonna use a Google step-by-step guide AI overview, and in the introduction here it says open Windows settings to uninstall any associated games that anti-cheat program. So step number one, guys, let's look closely. Close the client, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar, and then click on close. After that, press Ctrl plus Shift. Now on your keyboard, guys, you need to press these three keys. Actually, they're even near each other, so it's basically simple. Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. I can illustrate it for you here and you see. It's Ctrl Shift plus Escape, and you can see it opens up the task manager. So you follow the same procedure. So once the task manager is open, you then go ahead and search for the following, which is the Valorant EXE or the Valorant.exe. Now this works if at all you install this game. For my case, I didn't install a game, but I shall follow the steps. Now after clicking that, choose uninstall a game and Vanguard. Open settings, then press Windows key plus I, and then close the application. And you're good to go. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe. We shall meet